Today's the big day! Baby Bella and her friends are off to the beach! They've packed their beach bags and are ready for a sunny adventure! What's in the magical lunchbox today? Bella carefully packs her favorite snacks to share with her friends. Each friend gets a special water bottle with their name on it. And big beach hats. Check, check, check. Time to hop in and go. The beach is calling. Look at the ocean. It's sparkling just for them. Bella stretches her arms and takes a deep ocean breath. Noah rushes in with his bucket, ready to dig for treasure. Lila loves building castles with seashell roofs. The beach is full of giggles, sunshine, and tiny toes. All that playing makes for hungry bellies. The lunchbox opens like a treasure chest of yummy snacks. Bella shares fruit skewers shaped like stars. Bombings Noah loves his peanut butter sandwich in a dolphin shape, each on his happy face as crumbs fall cutely. Lila's favorite crunchy rainbow veggie sticks. Everyone stays hydrated with cool, tasty water. Picnic time turns into a giggly food party. Yum, yum, yum! What a delicious lunch break! Now it's time to build the biggest sandcastle ever. Bella makes a secret door with a shell handle. Each the deepest moat around the castle. Lai finds a shiny shell for the castle top. They cheer together, castle complete. Then it's time to splash in the cool, shallow waves. Investigates Bella squeals with joy as water tickles her toes. Noah and Lila race with tiny waves to the shore. A big bubbly wave makes them all fall over and giggle. Time for a sandy game of beach ball. Bobbins, the ball bounces, spins, and flies through the air. Bella dives and catches it like a beach hero. Next, they go on a hunt for the perfect seashells. Noah finds a shiny orange shell with swirls. Bella finds one that looks like a tiny horn. Lila discovers a pink one shaped like a heart. They each pick their favorite and make a shell necklace. Ella's necklace is full of rainbow shells. It's time for one last beach game, Bubble Chase. Divisive, a jump and a twist. Bella giggles as bubbles land on her nose. Lila twirls and pops 3 in a row. Now they gather close for a sandy group hug. Their towels are warm and ready, like after all the fun, it's time to rest and watch the waves. The sky turns soft and golden as the sun begins to set. Zappa! They talk about their favorite beach moments. Bella says, I loved making the big castle. Noah giggles, I liked the waves and the treasure digging. Lila beams, the bubbles were my favorite part. The sky turns pink and purple. What a beautiful view. They take one last walk along the shoreline. Bella draws a heart in the sand with her fingers. A wave goodbye to the sea and the sky. They pick up their beach toys and towels one by one. Bella places her special shell necklace in her backpack. The sandcastle goodbye. Lila takes one last photo with her toy camera. The sky glows as they head back to the car. Guckles in, tired and happy. Bella yawns and leans on Lila's shoulder. Noah hums a soft tune as the car drives on. He remembers the fun. Easing and they whisper, let's come back soon. The car hums down the road, beach behind them, dreams ahead. Bella dreams of building an even bigger castle. Contador dreams of discovering treasure under the waves. Lila dreams of flying with bubbles across the sky. The sky grows darker as stars twinkle above. Back home at last, their beach day now a memory. Tucked into bed, their hearts full of joy. They whisper, one last time, embarked, let's go back again someday. The end of a perfect beach day.